for the petitioner.
No, there is no counsel for the petitioner.
You are doing the parvi.
Yeah, as a parocar petitioner in person. So it may kindly be heard, sir, so that 3 months can be saved.
Well, if it's for suspension, you file an application for suspension.
नहीं, criminal decision है सर.
उसमें सस्पेंशन के लिए डाल रखा है क्या आपने? सस्पेंशन है.
सस्पेंशन के लिए कुछ नहीं रखा.
तो आपको डाल, you have to file an application for suspension.
No, there is no such application. Neither there is a stay application of the order.
So file an application for suspension, then we can take it up. अब वकील क्यों नहीं कर देते?
If no, sir, problem is that he is already in jail.
And he may be, so anyone can get a lawyer appointed for him. You are doing parvi for him, so you can always engage a lawyer.
No, sir, I never appoint an advocate in the case. I myself lead the case in argument.
Then we file an application first for suspension, then we will take it up.
No, we don't want suspension, sir.
Then?
We want the acquittal.
No, there is no question. You can't get an acquittal for the asking. Suppose I think it is to be maintained, the conviction is to be maintained then.
And the circumstance is that
I'm not going to look into it.
Completed.
Look, I'm not going to look at it right.
Only 6 months conviction, sir.
Sir, you will have to file an app. If you want the person to come out before the matter is heard, then you file for suspension. Then the matter will come up on board when you file an application for suspension.
A revision does not provide a suspension on the
It does. There is a provision for that. That's a problem. You see, have you done LLB?
No,
You're not even done LLB. What is your work? What do you do?
I'm a retired person.
Huh? And what were you do? You working you were a public servant before that?
Yes.
So you do. Would you go to would you get yourself operated? If you have an appendix, would you sit at home and get it operated yourself? You will not get it operated yourself, is it not?
Yeah.
Will you get your parocar to come and operate it? You will go to a doctor, is it not?
I am fully conversant with the facts and the
The facts alone is not.
And the laws associated
The facts is not sufficient enough. You have to be conversant with the law also. That is why we have lawyers. They go through a very strenuous process of 5 years of legal education, then 10 to 15 years of experience before they have become competent enough to handle things on their own.
I agree, but petitioner in person can also argue.
You can argue, but you're taking a risk.
Plead the case.
See, it is not you who is in prison. It is not you who is in prison. If I am ultimately of the opinion that and as it is your loss from 2 courts below, you can lose from this one also, and then you will have to go to the Supreme Court. By then he'll come out within 6 months. We won't take it up today.
Maintainability पे लगी हुई है.
Maintainability will let it come up in due course then. Or you file. Well, that's too bad. You get hold of a lawyer who can get hold of a counsel who can make proper legal arguments here. You can't say that I want to get my matter heard. You're not even done LLB. And I'm sorry, we're not going to hear you. Get a proper lawyer. If you have a difficulty, go to the legal aid cell, to the legal aid services, and get a lawyer appointed through legal aid where you don't have to send it.
Until then, the conviction will be completed then.
Well, that's too bad. You are the person who's not doing the right thing by getting a lawyer. That's a problem. You file an application, something has to be filed for it to come up on board. Anyway, DJ, next case.
Problem is that, sir.
I'm sorry. Don't waste my time right now, please. I've heard you. Get a lawyer.
Not in a sympathetically way, sir.
Get yourself a lawyer and we'll hear you. Yes.
Always coming and doesn't have time and always mentioning in the mental register.
We can't help you. There's so many matters. There's so many matters pending before me. How can I single out your case?
Of the lawyer, not of the petitioner in person.
No. They are all lawyers. There's not the personal cases. Lawyers are appearing on behalf of the clients.
Okay.
And those clients are also in jail, so you can get hold of a lawyer yourself. Or you move an application, mention it before the Chief Justice. Mention it before the Chief Justice for an out-of-turn hearing, before the division bench one.
Very petty conviction, 6 months, he is going to complete that.
Listen. Please don't waste the time of the court. If you don't even have any knowledge of court proceedings, and you insist that the matter must be heard, you are jeopardizing the case of your relation. Understand that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
This appeal filed against the order of.
What is this?